It's not that hard. Just gonna use the seasonings. So I like to go around and around with my seasonings, get my chicken all seasoned up. Let me open this one up. This is brand new. All right, let's get it going, y'all. Gotta have that. Gotta break it up sometimes, you know what I'm saying? Get it out of there. Wouldn't even need that. I don't even know why I pulled it out. I'm gonna trade that for this. Cause I like it spicy. Let me tell y'all something else about this right here. It don't really matter where you get your seasonings from. Hold on, I like that song, but I'm gonna turn it down so you can hear me when I'm talking about. I'm trying to tell y'all not to test my gangster, not to play no games with me, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, I get my seasonings wherever I get my seasonings at, where they cheap at. Because when it's all said and done, you know what? It's gonna taste good. So look here, now I got my chicken seasoned up on one side. And look what happened though. I flip it over, bam, we unseasoned over here. So I get to rubbing. I get to doing a little rubbing like that. You know what I'm saying? I rub my chicken in. I make sure that side good and seasoned up. I flip it over, and we're gonna do the same thing up to the other side. So let's make it happen. Ain't nothing to it but to do it, y'all. Ain't nothing to it but to do it. We almost out of that right there. Alright, so now, while I'm seasoning the other side up, I'm gonna go ahead and plug in my fryer, right? Now this is my fryer. I got my grease in there already. So let me go ahead and plug it up. Bam, lights came on. Get my temperature set. I want 375 on the fryer. You know what I'm saying? And my first thing I fried in here, so you know what I'm saying? It's all good. I'm about to put this chicken in there. We're gonna fry this. Bet my chicken tastes good. Dig that? You dig that? So we're gonna continue with the seasoning now while my grease getting heated up. With my seasoned meat tenderizer on it. Now look here. This right here though, don't be sleep on it. This make your food taste good. So So don't be sleeping. I know y'all know about onion powder and garlic powder. We make that happen too. You got to have it all though. Weirdo. No cap.
You say clout, not no cap.
Ain't no cap over here. Ain't no cap over here. You know what I'm saying, Cardi B? You gonna want some of this chicken, Cardi? Better than Popeyes chicken over here, baby. You know what I'm saying? Now, you see how I got all that seasoned up over there? But see, here's the kicker though. You put this cayenne pepper on it though, right? And that make the heat fire right there. Yes. Get us some of that. But then here you go though. This will make your color look right though. You get that paprika on there. You see how that works. So now we got our chicken all nice and seasoned up. We good. Bam. We did that. So here go the next part. Next thing you want to do, move over to your eggs. That's not a good egg. That's a bad egg. We ain't gonna use that egg. How the fuck an egg get to looking like that? I guess I ain't supposed to cuss online. That's okay. Well, how an egg get to looking like that? We're gonna edit that out. That's a bad egg. Bam. We got us a good egg right there. But I ain't gonna lie, I'm kind of mad about the egg looking like how it looked. That ain't no good egg either. We're gonna skip that one too. I don't need number 2 eggs. But I do need, straight up though, I need 2 eggs. So we gonna cut them eggs up in there. Bam. Got 2 eggs. Now here's the secret. The secret is hot sauce. Use whatever hot sauce you want. I'm gonna start with this one because this is what I like. I like this hot sauce. I like, you know what I'm saying? I'm putting a little hot sauce in there. And then I'm gonna get to whipping it. Yes. You know your eggs looking good when they get that little red tint to it. But I'm gonna give y'all another little secret. Take your black pepper and put your black pepper in there too. You don't need a whole lot, but put that black pepper in there because I don't know why, but it make it happen. It makes it happen. So now, what we need to do now is go ahead and make our batter. Because you know what we're doing, y'all? We're making a Popeyes chicken sandwich. All right, we got some flour cracking. We don't need a whole lot. We ain't trying to flour the whole world up. We just trying to make enough for this little 3-piece chicken right here. That's all we need. And not to mention, we got a lot of stuff we got to do to this flour. All right, so we got a little flour right here. Bam, did I measure it? Hey, did I measure that flour? No. You know why? Because I don't need to. I look at it, I say, hey, is that enough flour for this chicken? Yes, it is. So let's season our chicken up. Let's season our flour up. I knew I didn't have a whole lot left of that. We just gonna put whatever's left in there. There ain't a whole lot there, but it's all good. This the real deal. This gonna really make it happen in that flour though. We're gonna put some of that up in there. Yeah. We're gonna put some of this up in there. Yeah, let's put it in there. Yeah, let's put it in there. I'm out of that right there, but it's all good. That's going to a good cause because you know what? We're making a Popeyes chicken sandwich. Some of this right here. Yeah, we need that. Some of this right here. Yeah, we need that. All All right, guess what, y'all? It's about time to make that batter, y'all. Hey, guess what, y'all? It's about time to make that batter, y'all. So we're gonna go to our sink, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna clean off a little. My dishwater running out. My dishwater running out. We're gonna wash our little fork off, right? Whatever. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna make some more dishwater because I can't cook without no dishwater, y'all. Make some more dishwater. Now, all right, y'all. We're gonna mix our batter up. Hey, y'all. LMA says she booed up. Hey, if you're trying to get booed up, make this chicken sandwich. All right, I bet you get booed up. I bet you. Because I ain't no damn woman out on this earth. They can't deny a chicken sandwich like what we about to pull off right here. Now, I'm looking at my batter, and I noticed that I need some more of this pepper, though. So let's go ahead and do some of that. Bam. A little more pepper in there. We in the house. We needed that. Yeah, that make it look right. Use your eyes. Use your nose. And when you cooking, use your ears. They'll tell you what you need to be doing. Alright? Alright, y'all. Hey, guess what? I'm going to test my heat on my grease. See if it's hot enough. And if it is, we're going to go ahead and make this Popeyes chicken sandwich. So let's see what we got. So here's what we do. We're going to take the lid off of this right here. We're going to worry about that. I need to clean that, but we're going to worry about that. Look here. This is what we're going to do. Let me give me a little bit of water on my fork. I'm going to come right to this here. You see that? You see how it start popping on me? I know my chicken gonna cook. It's gonna cook, it's ready, it's hot. So let's go ahead and do it. Put my batter over there. I put my liquid over here. Put my chicken over here. Did I have some napkins on this right here? Where my napkins go to? I thought I had some napkins over here. I need my napkins over there. We're gonna get my napkins ready because I'm gonna put my chicken off. I'm gonna put my chicken right here. I ain't gonna let that happen. No, we're gonna find a way to keep that from happening. Alright. Y'all ready? Let's make a Popeyes chicken sandwich. Alright, first step is take your seasoned chicken and make sure it's good and seasoned up. You see how that seasoning down at the bottom? I don't let that sit. I don't play that. I get my seasoning. I put it right into my flour. And I flip it over a couple times. Shake it off, shake it off, shake it off, y'all. Shake it off, shake it off, shake it off. Now, we're gonna go right into the egg batter. Bam. Flip it over. Bam. You feel me? You feel me? Let's go right back to the batter. Bam. Put a little bit of this on there. Let's go ahead and get it cracking. All right, just like a pizza, you're going to go ahead and just work your batter into your chicken. Flip it over. Work your batter into your chicken. All right. Now we got us a well-battered piece of chicken. Now, check this out. It's important. When you put it in there, set it in there for a second or two. 1, 2, 3. We're going to start rolling it all the way to the skinny side where we're going to lay it down. Bam. We laid it down. All right. Now we got our Popeyes chicken sandwich cooking. We're going to let it cook. Now the next question you're going to wonder is, right? All right, well, hey, Daddy Joe, how long we going to let that chicken cook for? Well, you know what? I don't know exactly. But I just know when it's done, But for y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and time it out. So right now, on my clock it say 3:28. So I'm gonna guess about 7 to 8 minutes. We're gonna be ready for the next one. So let's just see where we at. So we're just gonna chill in the meantime. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna clean up a little bit and we're gonna start prepping for the sandwich. So let's clean up a little bit. We get a sponge. You know what I'm saying? We got all our seasoning and whatnot on the table. Let's go ahead and clean this up. We don't need all that dirt on it. You know, we don't need all that. We try to keep it clean around here. You know what I'm saying? We try to keep it clean around here.
Price Chopper is celebrating 40 years of feeding Kansas City families. Enjoy amazing anniversary savings through September 17th, including KC Pride 93% lean ground beef, $2.99 a pound.
See, this is what they don't. Hey, they don't show y'all this when they show y'all their cooking shows. They don't show y'all no cleaning up. But you, hey, if you cooking and you ain't clean, you can't cook with me, cause I don't get down like that. When you cooking with daddy, you gotta cook clean. You know what I'm saying? Straight up and down. Gots to be clean. Ooh, I see it. Yes, yes, I see it. We gonna get all of that. All right. Yeah, yeah. All right, let's get our eggs out of here. We don't need them no more. All right, y'all. So let's see. Now, to build a bomb chicken sandwich, there's a few things I can think of that we need. We need lettuce. Lettuce. We're gonna need a little bit of onion. I would have tomato, but I ain't got no tomato. We're gonna need some Miracle Whip. And guess what, y'all? I got some special hot sauce that my brother sent me from Baltimore. We're gonna need that because we want our chicken sandwich to be spicy. We're gonna play around out here. Oh, and guess what? We using Swiss cheese on our sandwich today. Yeah, yeah. You say, hey, Daddy Joe, why we using Swiss cheese? Because it tastes good with chicken. You think I'm lying? Make this chicken sandwich to see if this don't taste good. Hold on, y'all. Let me take this phone call. Hey, this Daddy Joe. Hey. I'm good. I'm cooking with my daughter right now. We got a little YouTube thing going on right now. I miss y'all too. Oh, I understand how that goes. That's good. Okay. Yeah, we've been good. I'm glad to hear from you because I've been wondering about y'all. Make the drive to 3400 East Newman Road to save thousands off your next purchase. I'm glad to hear that. AutoZone has you driving in 1 hour or less. It's that easy. I will. I promise you I will. Okay, I will. All right, bye. Online at AutoZoneKC.com. All right, y'all. So, hey, this right here, you got to make your sandwich fire. Otherwise, you playing games. So let me tell you what we need to do. We need some buns so that we can start building our sandwich. So we're gonna take our buns. All right. We're gonna go to the toaster. Let's put our buns in the toaster. You know what I'm saying? Let's go ahead and put them in the toaster. Bam. We're gonna heat up our buns, you know what I'm saying? Once they get ready, we're gonna pull them out, we're gonna start building our sandwich. All right, y'all. Let's deal with the lettuce. You need some good leaves of lettuce to make this sandwich. That'll probably do it. So let's, uh-oh. Let's go ahead and put our lettuce up. All right, so let's wash our lettuce. Sorry, we're gonna wash that, y'all. We're gonna wash it. We ain't wasting nothing around here. We ain't wasting nothing around here. All right. Yeah, we ain't wasting nothing around here, y'all. All right, we got our lettuce. Let's get our onion going. Now I done already used a lot of this onion, but we're gonna go ahead and use this onion up. So what I like to do is I just come at it like this. You feel me? And then this little piece right here is so big that I'm just gonna go ahead and just cut it out. And then we, you know what I'm saying, we got what we need right here. I'll cut me one more out. Alright. Like I said, y'all, the only thing I'm missing on my sandwich is tomatoes, but hey, I ain't getting no tomatoes because I ain't got no tomatoes. But it's all good. We're going to make it happen anyway. I promise you, when I pull this chicken out this grease, y'all going to be like, boy, he done made a chicken sandwich of the year. And I just showed you how to make it. Let's see, what time we got? 35?
It's been 5 minutes.
It's been 5 minutes?
No.
It's been
7.
It's been 7 minutes? All right, let's check it out. Let's see what we got. Woo-wee, y'all. Look at that right there. Hey, that looked like a good piece of chicken right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and get some of that grease out of there. I'm gonna just let it sit for a second, y'all. I'm gonna let the grease drain out. And then we're gonna set our chicken right up here on our towels. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna let our chicken drain out. And we're gonna do the next piece. When I promise y'all, this is gonna be some good chicken, I promise y'all. This is gonna be some good chicken. Look, Popeyes. You ain't got nothing no cooking with daddy. Okay? You ain't got nothing no cooking with daddy. Alright, y'all, let's do it. Look at that. That's what I call a Popeyes chicken sandwich right there. All right, look good, don't it? Let's go ahead and make another one. So y'all already know the game plan. We go to the flour. All right, bam, bam. We're gonna flip it over. All right, bam, bam. Nothing to it. Let's go ahead and go to the egg wash. All right. Bam, bam. All right, right back to the flour. And then you already know what we're gonna do. We're gonna get our flour caked up on there real good. Bam, bam. All right, y'all. Now, the other key part. Remember I told y'all? It matters how you put your chicken in the grease. Put your big part in there and hold it for 1, 2, 3, and now you can start laying it down. Now, if you don't do that, your chicken's gonna stick. And when you go to pop your chicken out that grease, it's gonna be a mess. You don't want that, y'all. You dig what I'm saying? You want everything to come out nice and smooth, nice and easy. All right, so we in there. We got one down. We got two cracking. Go ahead and put the lid on that. Wash some hands up real good. All right, y'all. So now we got our buns came out the deal here. All right, y'all. So look here. Let's go ahead and build us a chicken sandwich, y'all. You ready? This is how we do it. All right. First thing we need the bread. Bread. All right. We need the chicken sandwich. Bam, chicken sandwich. All right, y'all, let's do this. All right, so here's what we do. Let's go ahead and get our bread. And we're gonna get our bread tossed up. So we're gonna put some sauce on that. Mayonnaise, both sides. All right. Spread that on there real good. Look at that. You already want to eat that already. You ain't even had none yet. I know you ain't had none because they was already sold out. Let's get some lettuce on there. Actually, you know what? Here's the bottom piece. Let's go ahead and put our chicken on there. Chicken. Bam. Now, let's get our cheese on there. Yes, I need 2 pieces of cheese because that got holes in it. But I like Swiss because I know the flavor gonna be good. All right, we got our cheese on there. Now, next thing we need a lettuce. Bam, lettuce. Next thing we need an onion. Bam, we got an onion on there. Bam. Now, what makes a sandwich pop is the hot sauce. Shout out to Matuk's hot pepper sauce out there in Baltimore. Hey, y'all got it on lock. I tell you, ain't nobody mess with y'all. I mean, Louisiana, y'all got good hot sauce. I like y'all in my eggs. But when it comes to my sandwich though, hey, I need y'all because guess what? I don't even need a lot. That right there, spread that right in there like that. And see if you don't have you a good old nice spicy sandwich. And bam. Woo! Spicy. Now, guess what, y'all? We got us our Kansas City inspired chicken sandwich. So y'all want to know how good it is? Well, let me be the first to tell you. Hey y'all, they get 2 thumbs up, y'all. And that's how we do it right here. When you cooking with daddy, you get the real. I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy this, y'all. I'll see y'all next time.